The wait is finally over. Welcome to EUROHAUS Ferrari 296. Let me introduce of our masterpiece, the Ferrari 296. And I'm going to explain how we design such a car like this and how the body kit is functional. As you know, this car is a very fast car. It goes to 0 to 100 in 2.4 seconds and it has 819 horsepower. So when we designed this body kit, we took this into consideration. So we want to make the downforce even more. Three parts that we were really concerned was the air blade in the front and the air scoop on the side and also the rear spoiler. These three parts really help this car to drive so much better than the original car. And believe me or not, I have tried this by myself. So it's from my personal experience. First of all, before we design, we have this actual car with us and we do the reverse engineering process. We scan the car, we scan the front bumper, we scan the rear bumper, we scan the wing, the bonnet, and we design a part that will be bolt-on. Bolt-on here means that we do not have to drill any more holes. We use everything from the factory standard setting. You just remove the original part and you can install our part right away. You don't need a lot of tools. All the clips is from the standard car. All the bolts, every single hole, we use from standard. So now we talked about the air blade. The air blade here is really functional because we do the air induction here to make all the air go in here, and at the back of the bumper there's a hole where the air comes through. Imagine the car without this air blade, so the air can go everywhere. It can go from here, here, here. After we install this air blade, all the air is focused into this hole. All the carbon that we use in our body kit is the same as the Ferrari carbon pattern, so you don't have to worry that it doesn't match with your Ferrari carbon. Actually, it looks the same. And the air scoop here is really important. It guides the air coming from the front into the engine directly, so the air doesn't go anywhere else. This part, I think it creates a lot of air generation, airflow into the engine just by this part. And the fender here, we wanted to create something that looks really cool. So that was my idea to go with the side fender with the fins. Actually, this fender is made from all carbon fiber, but we thought it might be looking too strong, so we matched the paint with the original Ferrari red. So talking about the wing is not just for the look. Actually, it helps the car become very stable, especially if you do it on high speed. Based on my experience, without the wing, if you go above 250 and you do a corner, you feel like the car is about to fly. The wheel is not really attached to the road that much. But with wing, it creates a lot of downforce and really keep the wheels to the road. And it did not just help on the straight line, but it helps so much on the corner. So I really recommend the wing. It helped with the look so much, and it also helped with the handling so much. So this is one of the parts that I really love. As you know, that Ferrari focus a lot on their diffuser, so all their diffuser looks huge. It looks enormous because they want the air to go through beneath the car and go all the way until the end of the car. And the diffuser also help a lot with the downforce and also guide the air to make the car more stable in straight line and also doing the corner. And we come up with this design to make the air go through all the way from our front lip, side skirt, then diffuser. So after installing our wing, the original wing here still works. The air blade still works. We did not just block the air blade from the car. The air blade still can come up. So we focus a lot on the air dynamic to make sure that all the parts that we create really works with the air dynamic and to create more downforce for this monster.